Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to protect your taillights. If you want to add some more protection to the rear of your Jeep Wrangler, specifically your taillights, then you're going to want to look at these Rugged Ridge Euro taillights in the textured black, fitting your 2007-2018 Jeep Wrangler. These Euro-style taillight guards are constructed of a durable steel material and then powder coated in a textured black. They feature a 5-bar design to give you added strength around the taillight. Now they're going to include new screws as well as spacers to space them a little bit out from your taillight. That way you don't cause any damage to the factory taillight. So today we're going to get them installed on our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. We're going to get started with the install of these taillight guards. Now the only tool you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to get started on this passenger side taillight. We're going to remove the factory screws and set them aside as the kit does come with new hardware. Start up top right here. The goal while removing the taillight is to actually leave it on the Jeep, that way it doesn't fall all over the place for you. With all the hardware removed, you're now ready to put the taillight guard on. As I mentioned before, the taillight guards are contoured to give you the maximum protection. As you can see on the passenger side here, it's wider up at the top and then it narrows down towards the bottom. Make sure you have the right guard on the right side. As you can see, this kit does come with two different styles of screws. One has a larger head and then the other one has a smaller fine thread with a smaller head on the top. Now the one with the larger top goes to the outside of the lens, and this narrower one here will go towards the inside of the Jeep. Make sure you do it properly as it won't line up if you don't. Now what I like to do is actually put the screws in first, and as you can see, put the wider one on the outside and then the narrower one right here on the inside. This helps me out when I put the spacers behind them to keep everything in place. So let's go ahead and put this up with the spacers onto the taillight. Now what I like to do first is get this inside screw lined up, put the spacer on the screw, and then just start it with a few threads. That way this is going to hold the entire taillight. With that one tightened down, we'll put the spacers behind each screw and get them started. Once they're all started, go ahead and tighten them down with a Phillips head screwdriver. I'll get them snugged up, go around, make sure they're all snugged up, and then we'll fully tighten them down. Once you have all these tightened up, repeat the same steps on the other side and your installation is complete. We just finished up the install of our Rugged Ridge Euro taillight guards and they look really great, plus they're going to add a ton of functionality to the back of our Wrangler. You only need a Phillips head screwdriver and the installation should take no more than 10 minutes. Now you can find these taillight guards as well as many other great parts for your JK right here at cjponyparts.com.